Advanced Task Scheduling with Prefect, Tips and Tricks. In this video, we will explore advanced techniques to enhance your data engineering skills, focusing on optimizing Prefect schedules to manage complex workflows with reliability and scalability. Welcome to our exploration of advanced task scheduling with Prefect. Did you know that improper task scheduling can lead to significant bottlenecks in your data workflows? In today's video, we'll uncover advanced techniques to enhance your data engineering skills. From dynamic scheduling to maximizing resource efficiency, we'll equip you with practical insights to optimize your Prefect schedules. Stick around as we dive deep into advanced scheduling options and learn how to manage complex workflows with reliability and scalability. Let's get started. In this segment, let's dive into Prefect's advanced scheduling options. Prefect offers powerful built-in tools to create custom schedules tailored to your project's needs. Whether you're deploying a simple daily workflow or managing a complex multi-step process, Prefect scheduling capabilities allow you to fine-tune timing and resource allocation. By leveraging cron expressions, you can achieve precision timing, ensuring that tasks execute exactly when needed. Additionally, Prefect supports retries and backoffs, allowing workflows to gracefully handle failures and maintain resilience. Mastering these tools is crucial for optimizing your data engineering projects. Dynamic scheduling is the ability to initiate tasks based on external triggers, a game changer in automating workflows. Prefect excels in this area, enabling you to leverage event-driven triggers to kickstart your tasks. By integrating with external data sources and monitoring changes, you can automate the initiation of workflows, ensuring that your data pipeline is responsive and efficient. For example, imagine a scenario where new data arrives in an S3 bucket. Prefect can automatically trigger a workflow to process this data in real time, reducing delays and enhancing productivity.
Prefect's versatility extends beyond standalone use. By integrating Prefect with other scheduling tools like Apache Airflow or Kubernetes cron jobs, you can drastically enhance your workflow's functionality. These integrations allow you to combine the strengths of multiple systems, resulting in improved management and scalability of your data pipelines. We'll explore strategies for seamless integration, ensuring that Prefect works harmoniously with existing infrastructure, maximizing reliability and efficiency. Whether you aim to replace or complement your current scheduler, Prefect's integration capabilities offer a robust solution. Resource efficiency is a cornerstone of successful data engineering, and Prefect agents play a crucial role in this. Prefect agents are responsible for executing tasks on infrastructure but local, cloud, or hybrid environments. By optimizing agent configurations, you can ensure that workloads are distributed effectively, preventing resource wastage and improving system performance. We'll discuss best practices for configuring Prefect agents to maximize efficiency and explore techniques to balance workloads, ensuring that your data workflows run smoothly, without unnecessary strain on resources. Complex data workflows often require precise control over the order of task execution. Prefect allows you to customize execution sequences by defining task dependencies and using features like mapping to manage parallel execution. This level of customization ensures that tasks execute in the correct order, avoiding workflow bottlenecks and enhancing overall efficiency. We'll guide you through setting up dependencies and using Prefect's mapping feature to handle parallel tasks, ensuring that your workflows are optimized for performance and reliability.
Prefect's ability to implement conditional logic within task schedules is a powerful feature that enhances workflow flexibility. By using triggers and conditions, you can dictate the flow of task execution based on specific criteria. This allows for more adaptive workflows capable of handling various scenarios. For instance, you might use conditional logic to skip certain tasks if certain conditions are met, or to trigger alternative workflows if an error occurs. We'll explore real-world use cases and demonstrate how to implement if-else scenarios in your Prefect workflows, providing you with the tools to create dynamic and resilient data pipelines. Logging and notifications are vital for effective workflow monitoring and data engineering. Prefect offers robust logging capabilities, allowing you to track task execution details and troubleshoot issues efficiently. By configuring Prefect's logging features, you can gain insights into workflow performance and identify areas for improvement. Additionally, Prefect supports integration with external notification systems, ensuring that you receive real-time alerts and can proactively manage workflows. Whether it's via email, Slack, or other messaging platforms, Prefect's notification features keep you informed and ready to respond to any challenges.
Scaling is a common challenge in data engineering, particularly as projects grow in complexity and volume. Prefect provides a scalable framework that can adapt to the needs of large-scale projects. By implementing strategic scaling practices, you can ensure system robustness and optimize workflows for performance and reliability. We'll discuss best practices for scaling Prefect, including resource management, task distribution, and infrastructure considerations. Whether you're handling millions of data points or executing complex workflows across multiple environments, Prefect scalability features will empower you to maintain efficiency and effectiveness.
As we conclude our journey through advanced task scheduling with Prefect, it's clear that mastering these techniques can greatly enhance your data engineering projects. We've explored dynamic scheduling, resource efficiency, conditional logic, and more. We encourage you to experiment with these features and share your experiences in the comments below. Let us know which topics you'd like us to cover next, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into optimizing your workflows. Together, let's continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with Prefect.